Today I am reviewing this keyboard stand with wrist rest. This was sent to me to review and I'm very thankful for that. Let's go ahead and open it up. See, everything is very nicely packaged. Here is your rest for your wrist right here. Open it up right here. Come out, you can see the material. Nice and soft, perforated material. You can see it there, all the detail on it. And the keyboard riser to get your keyboard up in a bit more ergonomic position. Open this up. It's acrylic, and this is in their like smoked one. Also has a clear. Has little feet right here, anti-slip little rubber tabs, if you can see. So it's going to take my position from here to set this up. Then like this. You can see it can fit a very big keyboard as well to here. And see, this is very nice. I have this support for my wrist. My fingers are nice and elevated. I can position this wherever I want. It's not sliding around. This is super nice. I can't believe I was doing it like that before. Just a great product. If you work from home like me and you're spending a lot of time on your computer, I would definitely recommend this. And then look at here. Got my wrists are cramped. I'm having to like lean over it here. I'm resting my wrist on this hard edge instead of this nice pad. I think this is really going to improve my work life. And you know, we all, or at least most of us, have to work. But if you do have to work, you want to work comfortable, take care of your wrist, keep your body nice and healthy. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.